So I'm in Hawaii, a getaway before my first year of college starts. This trip, I made it a goal to remind myself to live for the little things, because sometimes you need to just step back and take in life. I freed myself of labels, lost control willingly, and didn't think about the glow up. Just noticed my surroundings, not myself. Live for the 5 p.m. sunsets where you see colors in the sky that don't usually belong. For the road trips with music in your ears and wind in your hair. Jumping in the ocean on a hot day. Inside jokes that make no sense.
You guys, Olivia is sitting here eating hot Cheetos, watching the pool guy. This is creepy.
He's not cute or anything. I just want to make him feel uncomfortable. No.
He saw me videotaping him. I'm putting the camera away.
Early mornings when the whole world isn't really awake. Free samples of food. Noticing how juicy and sweet the first bite of a fresh fruit is. Waking up and realizing you can sleep in. Meeting friendly dogs. There were some pesky little disruptions thanks to my younger sister on my mission to focus on surroundings, not myself. Jojo? Jojo, what is this?
I'm not looking for one night. You're not looking for a love life.
So I was doing it, exercising and dieting, because your girl wants to make a good first impression on her first day of college. It was going fine at first, but then I started to make mistakes and couldn't stay consistent anymore with my eating habits. I get so frustrated with myself and try to run off the bad food, and I felt miserable afterwards.
I'm currently running because I didn't eat so great today. I really don't like running.
So then I started thinking, if I ate something I shouldn't, I may as well blow my diet for the rest of the day, and I started to give in to temptations more often. I got into this bad mindset and thought, I will never lose the weight. Something needed to change, but before that could happen, I left home again. And this was a last-minute trip to... Right when I got to the hotel, I started exercising. Great, but not great because I did it for the wrong reasons. I was doing cardio to burn off the calories that I would eat during dinner. As I was getting ready to go out to the restaurant, I thought, okay, I'm just gonna order something small and that'll be the end of that.
You were lying next to me. The secrets that I try to keep. Oh, I can take.
For those who haven't been to Las Vegas before, this is the place to eat good food. We went to an Italian restaurant in the Venetian Hotel, and I did stick with my intention of ordering something on the healthier side. I got salmon.
And then could I get the salmon a la Greek? The waiter said this was fresh bread. It's warm. Okay, like I said, if it's warm, I'm gonna eat it. I'm just gonna limit myself to one piece of bread.
No, I didn't. I went overboard on the bread. I ate more and more and more, and my family and I like to share meals, so I also had lots of pasta, pizza, and bread.
I don't care about tomorrow, as long as I'm on the front row. Lose my balance on a tightrope. Don't wanna lead, don't wanna follow.
To top off this night, I also got ice cream with my family and some other desserts.
I can only give you maybe. That's all I have in store.
And it doesn't stop there. In the morning, my family and I went out to breakfast. We usually never go out for breakfast, and I just didn't even care at that point and just got a French toast and of course tried whatever else my family ordered.
I don't wanna run away from you. What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? What if right is wrong? Can someone?
I didn't have the motivation to even try to be healthy because all I wanted was to lose weight. Weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. This mindset was a big mistake.
I don't wanna run, I don't wanna run.
If you need help getting started on eating healthy, I highly recommend HelloFresh, a food delivery service company that delivers to you weekly. They have fresh pre-measured ingredients along with these picture recipe cards, so it's really easy to follow along to, and has made me step out of my comfort zone and try new recipes because these are things that I normally wouldn't buy at the grocery store. HelloFresh is America's best value meal kit starting at $6.99 per serving. You can get $80 off, which is 8 free meals in your first month by going to HelloFresh.com and using my promo code Olivia80. This is a healthy way to start the 2019 new year.
Oh, this tastes so good. Every time I cook their meals, they actually taste good.
Yeah, it's really good.
And they say I want you to see all the ways I can